chopper is on a dangerous mission in Spain. The pilot's battling a brush fire in the nearby mountains. Now, he urgently needs to refill his water bucket. He spots a swimming pool. With perfect precision, the pilot lowers the helicopter. Suddenly, disaster strikes. In slow motion, you can see the tail rotor clip the fence, sending the chopper spiraling out of control. The horrified spectators dive for cover, but the camera keeps rolling till the chopper hits the pool. Seconds later, the camera picks up the action again. These people had been running for their lives. Now, they desperately try to save the pilot. Tragically, the impact killed him.